Are your kids already saying, I'm bored, and summer hasn't even officially started yet? Don't worry, I've got you. Hey, I'm Julie Young with Team Stiles, and I want to share some of the best splash pads in Johnson County. Because when it's hot outside, sometimes you just need an easy plan that gets everyone out of the house and burns a little energy. Let's start in Greenwood. The splash pad in Old Town is actually home to Johnson County's first splash pad and is a fun little stop, especially because you're right by the local favorites like the Suds. It's got that small town summer vibe, kids running through the water, people grabbing lunch nearby, and honestly, just a really easy way to spend an afternoon downtown. Then there's City Center Park. It's got walking trails, a basketball court, accessible playground equipment, and plenty of open space. So it works really well if you've got kids of different ages needing different things to do. Now, if you head over to Bargersville, Kephart Park is one of those places where you think, okay, this is really nice. The splash pad is interactive, colorful, and designed for all ages. Plus, there's a giant playground right next to it. They also have shaded areas, picnic shelters, biking trails, restrooms, and 8 pickleball courts. So parents can even have a little bit of fun. And then down in Franklin, you've got Youngs Creek Park, which is perfect if you want to turn a splash pad trip into a full day out. You're right by downtown Franklin, so you can grab food, shop a little, or catch events at the amphitheater nearby. The park itself has a huge playground, pickleball courts, walking trails, and a really cool splash pad with overhead sprinklers, water buckets, and interactive spray features. Honestly, what I love most about all of these is that they're simple, fun, and free. No giant planning session required. So if you're looking for an easy summer win with the kids, these spots are definitely worth checking out. And bonus, everyone usually sleeps really well afterwards.